What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can add layers to your wig. This tutorial is easy and beginner friendly, so if this is something that you're interested in watching, then let's get right into the video. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and start off by sectioning just a section in the front, not too big or not too small, just a nice amount, because what you want to do when you're adding layers to your wig is you want to kind of frame how your face is going to frame when you're wearing the wig. So you don't want to take too much out at a time. When I do make the cuts in the wig, I don't cut it straight off. I kind of let it glide through the scissors, if that makes sense. And when you are cutting your layers in your wig, you want to make sure that you are taking your time. Do not rush this process or you will mess up. So the last step that you want to take when you are cutting the layers in your wig is that you want to make sure that you're checking your work. And how you do this is by running the flat iron or the curling irons, depending on how you're going to style your wig, through it just to see how everything came out and layered, just to see if you need to cut more or just to make sure that everything came out the way that you want it to. All right, but this is the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and make sure you guys subscribe.